Broadcasting an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Monday, June the 29th. And it's time to give these kids a feed. Whew. I got pH up to 6.36, what it looks like from here. And I used 3/4 of a dose this round. Full strength is 2 tablespoons per gallon, 5-gallon bucket. I give it 8 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of the Alaska fish fertilizer and 4 tablespoons of Alaska bloom. I gave everything a cow mag and some worm castings yesterday. Well, all my cannabis plants. And I threw a little cow mag to my cucumbers. But I'll give everything a feed today. Of course, you won't see that because that's going to take a minute. All right, let me get you up off here. We'll go around here and look at a couple other things real quick. Really hasn't been a whole lot going on since my last outdoors. I do have some little yellow crooknecks that are ready to be whacked. This is like day 2 since I put these 4 autoflower seeds in here. Mixed batch. A little mixed salad, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Yeah, we ain't making a whole lot of noise. I threw that damn zucchini down on the damn ground there. After I cut all them squash bugs out, I'll bet you $10 it takes root. We'll see. I'll leave it. I'll weed it around the damn thing. Whew. Jalapenos. Shitty mater plants. Maybe they'll come around. Maybe they'll come around. I've got a couple of 3 going on there. Whew. Got some bell peppers doing all right. Yeah, I have to whack a couple of them off here. Go ahead and put them in the freezer bag. Get it ready. It's getting ready to get nasty. I mean, the clouds are starting to burn off. It rained last night. We got a nice little breeze, but as soon as them clouds burn off, it's gonna get dank and rank out here. Dragon Grows 420's Florillzy is nice and frosty, and I can smell it. I don't have to get nowhere near close to it to smell it. It's gonna be a nice one. Knock on wood. All right, let's get over here and check out the rest of these kids. Oh yeah. Before I forget, I want to thank you. Thank you very much. I noticed this morning that I hit 3,700 subscribers. Hell yeah. Thank you very much. I love you. Can't let Miss K get ahead of me. Her shit, can't let her get ahead of me. They try to spank me every year. So I got the scrog deck up here. I got one little spot right here. I'm just gonna patch that up. I'm a retired waterman. I reckon I can fix that little bit of net, don't you think? Yeah, I don't have to get all new zip ties and everything. Shop supplies are running low. Yeah, speaking of that, I always put that support link down in my video descriptions. Give that sumbitch a little kiss. Give it a little kiss for Fatbuds. I could always use a little channel support on the shop supplies. Yeah. Oh, speaking of Miss K, if you've been following me, Cougar K, I've been working on a new ride for her, you know. I haven't forgotten. I've been working on it. She's running an old nag right now, a little slow. This new one I'm working on, it's got some horsepower to it, if you know what I mean. So I'm making a special saddle horn for her, you know. Zipping around at 10,000 feet lightning speed, baby. She needs a little safety. So I'm making a special saddle horn she can plug right into, you know. Plug and go, baby. Look out, boys. Cougar K is on the way. Yeah. Hey, I'll yank you up off there and show you a little bit more before I have to get after it. Getting ready to get nasty out here. Little Brussels sprouts. Cukies are stretching, looking for something to grab a hold of. My damn cats are hungry. I gotta go get something to eat. They like the smell of that Alaska fish fertilizer. They're over there drinking out the damn bucket. I better go get them something to eat. I don't need to grow no more damn cats. I got enough. Whew. Calves peyote for them, by the way. And it won't be long before the net's going to have to go up on that. But I'm going to have to re-web that one up. Got to re-web that one. Miss K's shit's stretching for it. Yeah, I just repaired that one spot. That's the only thing that needs repaired. I think I can manage that. Yep. Won't be long. Harvest time. My turkey shoot giveaway. My annual turkey shoot giveaway. And I'm going to try to throw a doozy this year. Seeing that I'm getting really close to 3,000 subs. Woo! We're going to have a party. I think I'm going to be throwing a lot of lead. I'm going to need a lot of help. Sport link. Hint, hint. Yeah. Mr. Man's blueberry is, 4 foot 7 inches tall. I measured it this morning. Whew. I got to do a little work on it too. Take that big fan leaf off. Take that big fan leaf off. And put a couple more clips on. Whew. Well, God, it's smoking out here already. As soon as that sun burned, popped through them clouds, it is steaming, Grammies. Steaming. Have a fantastic day and a fabulous week, my friend. I am out of here. Peace.